Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, Chanel. I don't know, I've been bitten by the bug. I don't know how I feel about it. We'll start off with the little cutie pie one. This one I received, I opened this stuff. I kind of tried to repackage it for you. I received this one for my birthday and I was like, I saw these and I was like, I can't find them. I couldn't find them anywhere. But he did. Eek. These are some Chanel sunglasses. I don't know what they're called. I don't know if they have a name, but they are like a really pretty cat eye. And I think the one that was going viral was like the black and white version, but I just felt like the white trim was too stark with the black. I don't know. I'm really into like my browns and beiges and not so much like contrasting neutrals. So, cutie pie. He also got me like the matching Hermes sandals. Maybe I'll show those in another video, but yeah. These giving. Yeah. I really like them. They're really cute. I haven't really worn them. Like, me and my girls went to Miami and we went to the pool and like these suited the look, but then I didn't wear them otherwise. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get tons of use out of them for the summer. I totally was going into Chanel and I was really looking for a hat and like some shoes or something, like a cute little cutesy outfit, you know? I don't know, something. If you like really watch my videos, you might have an idea what this is, but like I kept speaking about it and I just wouldn't buy them for like the longest time. I did an updated version and I like these so much better. So oh my god, this is so much fun. Can you guess what they are? Some laces, 2 dust bags. Thank the Lord. Like, don't ever give me one dust bag. So I got the silver sneakers and like, don't call me basic. Like, these are the updated version of them. So these ones feature like a slimmer, sleeker look. They have like the suede on the toe. They're just so cute. Guys, like, these are the softest sneakers I own. Like, on my feet, they are so comfortable. This is crazy. Like, I do think some of them are overpriced, like this pair, but obviously because a lot of their silver sneakers went super viral, I get it. But whenever I wear these with like heather gray, it just hits. It hits. Yeah, I got them in a 40. Some days I feel like I need a 40.5, but I tried the 40.5 and I swear my foot was slipping out. But these were also like one of the last pairs in Canada, like the sunglasses. Like, I'm not gonna hold you, I would go back for a black version of this. Like, I think I might. I've been looking for black sneakers for the longest time and I was thinking of getting the Margiela ones, but with the way these feel on my feet, I might have to do Chanel. So these are super cute. I wore them with like gray capris the other day, but I bought from Aloe, which I have to do an Aloe haul. But a cutie pie, like, little vintage purchase. Now, vintage Chanel, guys, this is about to be a problem on this channel. Like, I'm just letting you know right now. This is the first piece I've ever bought. This one here. Well, this is actually not the first piece. I have like 2 vintage Chanel sunglasses, but this is the first vintage handbag I picked up. And like, I just thought she was so fun. When I was asking people's opinions, they were like, oh, it's kind of loud or whatever. I get it. It's bold, but I feel like it's bold but fun. And it's like all black. And the contrast stitching makes it kind of more like vibey. Like, an if you get it, you get it, you know? In some ways, like, sometimes I would go subtle with Chanel, but like, I just feel like the shape of it, the top handle, it's such a unique look. And I liked how it was such a cutesy little medium bag, small enough to like look cute for every day, but big enough to fit like sunglasses, wallet, keys, without like being super stuffed. crook of the arm. I can actually hold it on the shoulder. I always forget that, but it's just a little bit tight. But like, she's a cutie. Oof, I was stalking this on the Real, and I was like, maybe. And then she went down like $600, and I was like, I gotta buy her. I bought her, and guess how much I paid in duties? $600. I really, really like her. And then after this, after I bought it, I totally started seeing more photos, and apparently Bella Hadid has this bag, and I was like, period. So I really like her a lot. Like, I was using her as my everyday bag, and everyone's like, you have a Chanel lunch bag, and I was just like, guys, like, don't judge me. Fun, cutesy, everyday black classic bag. I really, really want a tote from them, and I'm keeping my eye out for which style I like. But yeah, so this was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what is on your Chanel wish list, so I can add to mine. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.